Hello traders, before we get into the main focus of this video, I would love to let you know that you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right. Now, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Gold Eagle EA, and this one is available for both MT4 and MT5, but we're going to be looking at the MT5 version. We're going to be testing the MT5 version in this video. Okay, it is designed primarily for trading gold, specifically the XAU USD. All right, you can see that here, and it combines elements of swing trading with a form of averaging strategy. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and you can see the Gold Eagle EA is currently priced at 299 US dollars, although it's often listed, with with not all EAs are actually listed with a discount, but currently we can see here big sale 50% off, price 299, regular price 599. So according to what we are seeing here, this seems to be a discounted price for the moment. Now, from the description, this EA is built around trading gold on the M5 time frame. All right, and it is designed to operate quiet frequently. Okay, imagine an expert advisor trading on the M5 time frame. Of course, what are you going to expect? You can see that here, right? Trading on the M5 time frame, you're going to expect quite a number of trades, right? So and it can trade almost every day as well, as you would expect. Now, what stands out immediately is that it's not just a simple one entry system. It has the ability to open additional trades if price moves against the initial position, effectively averaging the entry. It also mentions integration with a trend-based indicator, the Trendline Pro. Okay. So we can see the Trendline Pro here being used as an input signal. The EA uses a trend scalping strategy using the Trendline Pro indicator as an input signal. So overall, it's a fairly active system with multiple layers of logic. Right now, let's just break down the key features and what they actually mean in practice. All right. So we have the core strategy, which is described as a swing approach designed for flat or ranging markets. This is interesting because most of the time markets do spend a lot of time ranging rather than trending, right? So the EA is essentially trying to take advantage of that behavior. However, the moment you hear averaging or additional orders, that tells you this is not just a simple swing system. It's combining mean reversion with position building. So what happens is the EA opens an initial trade based on a signal, right? And if price moves against it, it opens additional trades to improve the overall entry price. The advantage of this approach is that it can recover positions more easily when price pulls back. But the downside is that in strong trending markets, this kind of structure can lead to larger drawdowns because the EA keeps adding into a losing position. Next, we have the higher time frame filter. Okay, and this is designed to align trades with a broader market direction. So instead of just relying on signals from the current time frame, it checks whether the higher time frame trend supports the trade. Okay, and then there is also the news filter, right? This helps the EA avoid trading during major economic events, which is important because gold can be extremely volatile during news releases. But if you want to activate the news filter, you need to add the website address in the MetaTrader settings. Okay, you can read more about this using this blog, this link, to this particular blog post. Now, finally, there is also a manual trading panel, allows you to open trades manually, and the EA will manage them as part of its system. So that's useful, but it also adds complexity because you are mixing manual decisions with automated logic. All right, so that's basically the overall structure of the EA. Now, let us move into the strategy tester and see how this actually plays out in real market conditions. All right. So I'm just going to be adding the gold eagle to the chart testing, and then for this particular test, I'm going to be running it from the start of this year up to the recent data. So that's January 1st, 2026 till date. And then we're going to be using XAU USD, of course, gold against the US dollars, and we're going to be testing it on the recommended time frame M5. All right. Now, just to mention, while this gives us a decent snapshot, it's always better to test over a longer period across different market conditions, right? Because a few months alone may not be enough to fully evaluate a system like this. Okay, so let's just start right away. Okay, so we can see the dashboard here for the manual trading, right? You can see that here we already discussed that, and then you can also see the information here being displayed by the EA: profit day, profit week, profit month, and then the profit total. All right. So while the EA helps to execute trade automatically, it also displays important information about the profits that have been gotten over specific periods of time. And then you can also see that this manual dashboard has quite a number of buttons on it, for the only buy trades, for only sell, any close all buy, close all sell, run, pause, close profit buy, close profit sell. You are given instructions to the EA to carry out a specific function. All right. So we are still waiting for the first trade to be executed. The EA is taking its time, looking for good opportunities in the market before executing any trade. All right. So the structure of the EA has already been made clear from the description, right? As the EA uses an averaging approach, building multiple positions as price moves away from the initial entry. Okay. Remember that the goal is to bring the overall break-even point closer so that even a small pullback can close the entire basket in profit. So you can see that currently we're having a trending market. So we don't have any trade executed yet. But if we start to have a significant pullback, we'll likely have our first trade. Okay. But we've already covered the functions, the strategy that the EA uses, and how the EA functions, right? So we are just going to be skipping to the end of this test so that we can analyze the results. Okay, you can look at the results and know how the EA performed, over the space of about 3 months and 3 weeks. But just like I said, um, a few months is not enough to properly analyze an EA like this. So you will need to do a more extensive back test, during your convenient time. If you're interested in this EA, feel free to test it over a year or 2 years or even more, right? In order to get the EA's performance over different market conditions. You can also decide to test it across different time frames as well. All right. So in a moment, we are just waiting currently to have the results pop up. Okay. But so far, we didn't have any single trade executed um, for the period that we were waiting. Okay. Perhaps because it's an M5 time frame, um, Opportunity is supposed to be frequent compared to a higher time frame, right? But we can see that the date is already at 2nd January. So 1st January, no trade. 2nd January was already running and no trade yet. Okay. Now this is another EA that is taking hours for the results to be displayed. You can see here over 4 hours and it's still adding. All right. I've analyzed quite a number of other EAs that just needed a few minutes or less for the results to be displayed. So I'm gonna leave this to you. If you are interested in this EA, you can test it during your own convenient time. You run the EA through your preferred time frame, and you can just check for the number of trades that were executed over that particular time frame. You check for the number of profitable trades, the net profit that was gotten, and if you are comfortable with what you see, then you can decide if you are ready to make the financial commitment for this EA. All right, but don't forget that there is a free robot for you with a lot of candlestick patterns and indicators. Just check the description below to get access to the free Forex robot. All right. So that is going to be all for this video. If you found any value in it, don't forget to leave a like and a comment and turn on your notifications as well. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.